Aloha, fruit enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Hala fruit, a true gem of the tropics. From its rich history to its amazing benefits, we've got all the juicy details you need. So let's get started and discover why Hala fruit deserves a spot on your fruit radar. Let's start with a little history lesson. The Hala fruit, also known as the Pandanus tectorius, is native to the tropical regions of the Pacific Islands, including Hawaii, Fiji, and Samoa. This unique fruit has been a staple in Polynesian cultures for centuries. The Hala tree is often referred to as the screw pine due to its spirally leaf arrangement, and its fruit has been used traditionally in cooking and ceremonies. Now, let's talk about why you should consider adding Hala fruit to your diet. This tropical marvel is packed with nutrients. It's high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and promotes healthy skin. Hala fruit is also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you full. Plus, it contains antioxidants that fight off free radicals and protect your cells. It's like nature's little wellness booster. Wondering how to pick the perfect Hala fruit? Here's what you need to know. Look for fruits that are firm and have a bright, vibrant color. A ripe Hala fruit should feel heavy for its size. Check the outer part of the fruit for a fresh, unblemished appearance. If the fruit has started to turn brown or is overly soft, it might be overripe. A good Hala fruit will have a fragrant aroma that hints at its sweetness. When is the best time to harvest Hala fruit? The peak season typically runs from late summer to early fall. In tropical regions, you can usually find Hala fruit available year-round, but it's at its prime during these months. So, if you're looking for the freshest Hala fruit, keep an eye out during these times. How can you enjoy this tropical delight? There are many creative ways to savor Hala fruit. You can eat it fresh, just slice it open and enjoy the sweet, slightly tangy flesh inside. Hala fruit is also fantastic in smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Try it in fruit salads or blend it into a tropical sorbet. The fruit's unique flavor adds an exotic twist to any recipe. Here's a fun fact: Hala fruit isn't just for eating. The leaves of the Hala tree are used in traditional crafts and weaving. They're often made into mats, baskets, and even hats. The tree's wood is also used in construction and carving. So, this fruit and its tree are not only delicious but incredibly useful. And that's a wrap on our tropical journey with Hala fruit. From its rich cultural heritage to its numerous health benefits and versatile uses, this fruit is truly a treasure of the tropics. Next time you spot a Hala fruit, don't hesitate to give it a try and experience its unique flavor for yourself. Until next time, keep exploring and tasting the wonders of the world's fruits.